Today, let's talk about the way that you use these Signal disappearing messages. This feature inside of Signal automatically deletes messages from both the senders and recipients devices after a set period hits. So you can set a period after the message is seen, the message will be automatically deleted. Now you have the option of turning on the disappearing message for every person that you chat with, or you can also turn it on for individual messages. To do it for all of the chats, you can head over to the three dotted line on the top right and then head over to settings. From this settings list, if you scroll down, you need to head over to the privacy option, and right here you'll see the option called disappearing messages. You can tap this option and set an exact set period of time when you want to add in the disappearing message. So you can choose from all of these options as well, or add in a custom time. This is set, you can tap on save on the bottom right, and every message that you send will have the disappearing message feature turned on. Now if you don't want that for all of your chats inside of Signal and you want that for particular chats only, what you can do is head back and open up a particular chat where you want to turn on the disappearing message. Tap on the three dotted line on the top right, tap on chat settings, and right here you'll see the option called disappearing messages. Tap on this option, and similarly you can tap and select a set time to turn on the disappearing message, and tap on the save option on the bottom right. So that's the way that you use these Signal disappearing messages. If this video did help you out, do let us know by giving this video a thumbs up, and also make sure to subscribe for more future videos just like this.